Yeah, we'll go to the next question. Now we take the number 2520. So the question is, find how many numbers are there which are less than 2520 and numbers less than 2520 and prime to it. Prime to it means the number 2520. So I want numbers which are less than 2520 and prime to it means there should be no common factor between that number and 2520. I can start from 1 and go on till 2519. How many numbers are there like that where the LCM of that number and 2520 should be the HCF of that number and 2520 should be 1. So co-prime to it. That means what? How many numbers are there? Numbers which are less than 2520 and prime to it. That's the question. Now what is that we are supposed to do? Okay. So here if I am dividing 2520 into factors, what do I get? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7. Now because the number is big, obviously I cannot list out all the numbers. So the number of ways is nothing but, I'll just write down a formula. It is n into 1 minus 1 by a into 1 minus 1 by b into 1 minus 1 by c and so on. This is the formula. Where n is the given number and a, b, c, d are prime factors of the given number. Prime factors of the given number. Now, how this formula comes out, we'll just check a little later. What is that we have to do? Now, n is what? The given number, which is nothing but 2520 into 1 minus 1 by a. A is nothing but the first prime factor, which is nothing but 2, into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 7. That is the question. Now, if I simplify this, what is 2520? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7. 1 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 3, which is nothing but 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 5, which is 4 by 5. It is 6 by 7. This is going to be the thing. Now what I can do is I can cancel this 2, 3, 5, 7 from here. So what will I get? 2 square into 3. This is what I will be left with here. Into 2 into 4 into 6. This is what I get. This is what I get. So what will I get? This is 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 24, 576. This is what I am going to get the answer as. Now, what is the simple logic which I am using here? That's what is very important to know. So, if I am just, for understanding sake, I don't take 4 factors, I take only 2 factors. Say, for example, n into 1 minus 1 by a into 1 minus 1 by b. This is what I take. Simplify this. What will I get? N minus n by a minus n by b plus n by ab. Or if I try to analyze this, what is n, the given number, minus n by a? All the factors which are multiples of 2, I am trying to eliminate. Because n is a number and a is a prime number, we'll get all the factors which are in terms of multiples of 2. Then multiples of 3. That means what I am subtracting? Multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. And I need to add the common numbers. Common numbers is what? The numbers which are multiples of 2 and 3 are getting subtracted 2 times. So to compensate that, I am adding it. Or if I want to simplify this in a different way, it is n by a plus n by b minus n by ab, which is nothing but n minus, it will come out as the formula a union b. n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. If I subtract that, that comes out as the formula what we have written. So therefore, factors of 2, factors of 3, factors of 5, factors of 7, I need to subtract from the total so that I get the entire number, what we call, which are less than 250 and prime to it. And this completes the question. We'll go to the next question.